Welcome. If you've ever needed to find a specific file in Telegram on your PC, the new update has made it easier than ever. Whether it's a document, a photo, or a video shared in your chats, searching for files is now quick and straightforward. Let's walk through the simple steps to get you there fast. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. At the top of the app window, you'll see the search bar. That's the key to finding any file you need. Next, click on the search bar. Once you do, a drop-down menu will appear right below it, offering various filter options. One of these options is labeled Files. Selecting this will narrow your search to focus only on files like documents and media shared across your chats, filtering out messages and other content. Now, with the Files filter activated, type in the keyword related to what you're looking for. For example, if you need a PDF report, just type words like report or the specific title you remember. Telegram will instantly scan through all your chats, groups, and channels to gather all the matching files. As the results populate, scroll through them. Each result will show you the file's name, a small preview or icon, and the chat where it was shared. When you spot the right file, just click on it to open a preview or download it directly to your PC. This update is a real time saver, especially if you're managing lots of files or part of busy group chats. No more endlessly scrolling through conversations or guessing where a file might be buried. Everything you've ever shared or received is just a few clicks away. So, next time you need to find a file on Telegram using your PC, remember these quick steps. Open the app, click the search bar, select Files, and enter your search. It's that simple. Give it a try and enjoy a more organized, efficient Telegram experience.